if we break below this level. But if we don't and we start ripping here, I'll see if we can break structure. If we can break structure, wait for a retest, potentially go long here, but just gotta sit on our hands and wait. See if we can get out of this downtrend. Again, what do we want to do? We want to start making higher highs, higher lows. Got into that 1 minute for value gap on the downside right here too, so being respected right there. Okay. And again, last 3 candles are being a little wicky here. So far, it's looking good for longs, but again, still waiting. There we go. Look at that. Again, the only thing I don't like about market open too is like these candles are insane. Like look at that. That candle before just turned red was a solid, extremely strong green candle, right? And then you just saw that it just immediately turned red. So that's why you always kind of like wanting to wait just a little bit after market open, because you don't want to trade this in a sense. And what I mean, you don't want to trade this. You don't want to trade this crazy volatility, right? And then I have to fix my trend line while we're all right. That was just crazy wick though, wasn't it, guys? Okay, I'm just being patient here. You can see very choppy right now. John Wick is out. John Wicky is out. Has anybody made any trades yet? Hopefully you guys say no. Yep, Tony, I knew you did. I know you do, bro. I know you do. Of course, Tony, you do. Sadly, yes, but made 218. Yeah, I mean, guys, it's super choppy right now, so just be careful. I want to wait for direction. There is no direction as of now, right? Here we go again, trying to break it. You guys can see it's literally, look at these wicks. Tony, put it on all on red. There you go, Tony. Like guys, when you guys are trading, right? And let's say you didn't have me, why would you trade right now? I mean, right now it's looking good. Buyers are trying to rip through this, but they aren't. You want to wait for confirmation. You don't want to guess, right? You want to wait for your game plan to sit in your lap. And that's how you guys stay positive green and make money every single day, right? I mean, yeah, I know it's Christmas Eve, so maybe that's why the markets are being kind of like this. But if it breaks this white line up here, I'm going to go in one contract. Or I'm in one contract. Okay, I'll add a lot more if we continue. And the stop loss is literally low of this candle that I entered on. Just to test it out. There we go. There we go. I want this to continue though. I don't want this to come all the way back down. I want this to rip. See if we can get out of this channel. Only in one contract right now, but 155 right now on these. I'm going to add more if we break above this green line right here. There we go. Stop loss break even right now. If it comes all the way back down, then it's fine. I could just re-enter. Oh my gosh. Let's keep this up. 300. I just didn't want to add right there. It's just too wicky. Alright, I'm adding more right here. Let's see if we can get more of a push here. Struggling a little bit. I have a break even stop right now, so it's below that exponential moving average right here. So there we go. Boom. I'm at sell 2 right now. Sold 1. There we go. So another. Only 1. Oh my gosh. I'm getting out. I'm out. I'm out. Boom. And now that was an A+ setup for you guys. I made $950 on that. Couldn't have gone cleaner. Couldn't have gotten cleaner.